Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Ford Fusion. First, gather your essential tools: a 13mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, a new oil filter, and 5 quarts of the correct engine oil. Always ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is cool to the touch. For safety, always use jack stands after lifting the car. Never rely solely on a jack. Next, locate the oil drain plug, usually a 13mm bolt, on the bottom of the oil pan. Position a suitable drain pan directly underneath it. Carefully loosen and remove the plug, allowing the old engine oil to flow completely into the pan. This process usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Ensure all the old, dirty oil has drained before proceeding to the next step. Now, remove the old oil filter using an oil filter wrench. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh engine oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it an additional 3/4 of a turn. Reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer, tightening it securely but without over-torquing, typically to 25 foot-pounds. Finally, consult your owner's manual for the exact oil type and capacity, typically 5 quarts of 5W20 synthetic blend. Carefully pour the new oil into the engine's fill port. Start the engine for about 30 seconds to circulate the oil, then shut it off. After a few minutes, check the oil level using the dipstick, adding more if necessary to reach the full mark.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.